There are parents today who raise their children without letting them watch any television or look at the internet. What is your opinion on this?
A pleasant evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. I think judges, thank you for that wonderful question. The access we have in the internet or even in the television have both negative and positive impact in the society, especially to us young children. But for me, in my opinion, not letting the young to have the access in the internet or even in the television is not that good for the environment of the students. We can allow children to have access, but we should give them the limitations we have, because giving them the limitation would help them to gain knowledge that they only have to gain, and not the knowledge or information that is not essential for the development or growth of the young youth.
Thank you, number 4. And now let's proceed to block number 5. Please pick your question. So your question is, what sacrifice do women make more than men? What sacrifices do women make more than men?
We are in an era where both men and women are trying to strive for both gender equality or equal rights. But there are some certain things that women can sacrifice more than men. One of those is giving birth to a child. Carrying one's life in the womb of a woman is not easy, as well as raising a child in a family. Women is the embodiment of light in a family, fulfilling all the traditional gender roles and expectations, such as balancing work and family responsibility. Moreover, women often feel pressure to conform to the unrealistic beauty standards set by many people, and that's what makes women a universal hero. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for number 5. And now let's welcome Lydia at number 6. Please pick your question. So here's your question. If you could change one thing about your physical characteristics, which would it be and why? If you could change one thing about your physical characteristics, which would it be and why?
Physical appearance is one of the things that you can see physically in one person. But if I will given a chance to change or to change to my physical appearance, I won't be changed anymore. Because as I will shine in Sapang Bato, I will be the role model of the youth, and also we need to be more contented that we have, and also we can mold ourselves with our self-confidence, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, number 6. Now let's move forward to number 7. Pick your question, please. The question is, how will you use your title to benefit others if you win today? How will you use your title to benefit others if you win today? so much. With that, number 7. Now let us look at number 8. Woo! Palaban ng ating mga candidates. So, number 8. So your question is, do you want to be different or do you want to be belong? Do you want to be different or do you want to be belong?